You let hold. Look at this. Say hello, guys. Nicest people down the coast I've met so far. Hey, he said hello there as well. What do you think? I couldn't blame me around a boat, bro? You couldn't blame me around a boat? Look at this, bro. You. Winner, winner, winner. I'm like Jack. I'm like Jack, boy. Who's Jack? It's Jackson and Jack in Titanic. I'm on a boat, but I'm like Uncle Albert. Uncle Albert. Guys, so tomorrow, if you want to fancy coming down Little Hampton, they are doing an open day from around 12 o'clock. Look, turn him. So, if any of you fancy coming down, it's going to be a really beautiful day. Then I suggest you come down. The people are so nice. Definitely the best day ever. Best day ever.